Hello students, I am not feeling well today, so I'm going to be leaving. I want to explain how you're going to do your writing today. So everybody is going to have their sheet that they had yesterday, and you're going to need to look at your data chart. There were issues with some things. There was cross-contamination, we believe, of people touching the actual tip to the water sample. So you will also get this copy, which you can place right over the top of yours if you want. This is what the results should have been had there been no cross-contamination, no issues, anything. So you're actually going to use this data chart, which has the correct, real results, just so you're basing your argument off of the correct information. So when you get this, you can just put it over the top, and that's what you're going to be using for your discussion. When we've done investigations this year, especially think about science seekers, when you picked which was your cause, what you had to do was tell me what you thought the source of contamination was, or the source for what was killing the sea otters, and then you had to prove your argument. You gave me why you thought it was that. Basically, what you're going to do today is going to be similar to that. You're going to tell me what you think is the correct water sample, which one came from Green Lake, and then what are the possible effects of the polluted water on the organisms that live in Green Lake. So you're going to be doing basically the same thing. It's just going to be one long paragraph. It doesn't have to be 5 or 6 like a normal conclusion. One long paragraph stating which of the water samples could have come from Green Lake and what are the possible effects of that polluted water on the organisms in Green Lake. You will have this sheet to refer to, and it tells you what each of the things means, the colors means for the reagents. Right here on the back of that sheet for day 2, I'm going to go over these real quick. It says write an explanation that addresses these questions. Which, if any, of your samples could have come from Green Lake? What are the possible effects of the chemical spill on the organisms living in and around Green Lake? Use the evidence from your video notes and the data you collected in your investigation to support your explanation. Use complete sentences and write in paragraph format. This is a scientific explanation, so use some technical writing grammar. Just use proper wording. Don't say stuff or things like that. Write your explanation on the recording sheet, which is on the lined pages only. And if you need more space, you can ask the teacher for lined paper and she'll get you more. So basically what you're doing is taking the information, using the correct evidence that I gave you and the information you have to come up with an explanation of which water sample came from Green Lake and what could the pollution do to the organisms that live there. Good luck.